A modern industrial manufacturing plant operates at staggering speed and physical complexity. Materials move, machines spin, and thousands of variables change by the second. Within this environment, thousands of sensors and programmable logic controllers are constantly at work, generating millions of raw data points. But step off the floor and into the executive control room, and you often find this: walls of red flashing screens and isolated data streams demanding attention. Having millions of data points does not mean you possess operational understanding. A temperature spike on a screen tells you a machine is hot, but it does not tell you if the product inside is ruined or what actions to take next. Collecting raw machine signals without connecting them to specific business objectives creates a dangerous enterprise blind spot, masquerading as digitalization. At the top of the enterprise, the ERP system governs the business. It tracks customer orders, manages inventory, and dictates financial targets. Down on the floor, the SCADA and MES systems manage physical execution, controlling extruder speeds, cooling temperatures, and machine states. This diagram illustrates the fracture between these two systems. When business planning and physical execution do not communicate, the gap is filled by manual paper handoffs and undocumented human experience. This fracture leads directly to delayed quality interventions, lost accountability, and untraceable defects. True Industry 4.0 requires bridging this gap with an operational nervous system, moving away from isolated screens towards a fully connected architecture. This is the exact purpose of the M0N0 Smart Factory, a unified digital architecture designed to connect physical reality directly to enterprise business processes. This reference architecture details the ISA 95 model. Looking at the base, Level 0 and Level 1 represent the physical floor, the extruders, the stranding machines, and the PLCs driving them. Moving up to Level 2, the supervisory SCADA and historian systems take over, monitoring the physical layer and managing alarms. At Level 3, the manufacturing execution system, along with quality and warehouse platforms, translates top-level business orders into actual shop floor execution. Finally, at Level 4, the ERP system manages macro-level enterprise planning, procurement, and finance. Running through all these layers are vital vertical pillars: stringent cybersecurity, data governance, and a continuous master data audit trail. This structured approach upgrades a factory from a loose collection of machines into a highly secure, governable technology stack. Consider a single data point, a temperature reading generated by an extruder. By itself, that number is operationally useless without knowing the specific product running. M0N0 solves this through contextualization. It wraps the raw data point in a digital envelope, actively linking it to the specific customer order and the precise material batch. It then attaches the active machine recipe, the ID of the operator on shift, and the current maintenance state of the equipment. Through this process, raw signals are transformed into trusted, fully traceable operational intelligence. This process flow illustrates how a complex order, like high-voltage cable, establishes a digital identity. It begins with the customer sales order and moves through engineering design to planning. M0N0 pulls this enterprise planning directly down to the shop floor, dynamically linking the bill of materials and production routing without a single paper handoff. As physical execution begins, early stages like wire drawing and stranding are strictly governed by this digital recipe. This diagram maps the manufacturing flow. Following the middle path, the process shifts from wire drawing down into high-voltage insulation and the critical curing and degassing phases. During degassing, the system automatically captures real-time thermal health indices, completely bypassing error-prone manual data entry. As the physical materials change form along the line, the digital identity of the product remains perfectly unbroken, permanently recording every operational event. Next, the physical cable enters the testing phase, undergoing rigorous electrical, mechanical, and dimensional checks. Returning to the manufacturing flow, we see the transition from quality and testing directly to the final drum and customer. Here, M0N0 enforces strict paperless quality gates. If a product is out of spec, the system automatically prevents it from advancing, physically and digitally locking its identity. Once cleared, the The system automatically generates a digital test certificate, instantly linked to the finished drum ID for absolute traceability. Looking at the final business cycle, the completed product moves through dispatch and transport, perfectly synchronized with the original ERP sales order. Upon delivery, the customer receives a complete, verifiable genealogy of the product's entire production history, alongside the physical spool of cable. True automation does not merely replace paper forms. It eliminates ambiguity, delay, and disconnected accountability at every single handoff. Consider what happens when things go wrong on the floor. A sudden abnormal temperature trend deep inside an active extrusion trough. This system architecture demonstrates how M0N0 responds. It pulls from the data layer into the application layer, using condition space analysis to instantly reconstruct the event, linking the temperature spike to the exact material batch and operator. Operating on Judoka principles, the system immediately contains the affected material and calculates safe alternative responses. But this is where a critical safeguard activates: human-in-the-loop governance. The AI is strictly forbidden from modifying the process on its own. A human process engineer must review and validate the recommendation. Once the engineer approves, the action is executed safely. The system immediately updates the ERP layer, instantly recalculating any risks to the customer's delivery schedule. Artificial intelligence in manufacturing is most valuable not as an autonomous controller, but as an active participant in a governed decision ecosystem, always subordinate to human accountability and deterministic safety. After a crisis is resolved, a vital question remains: did the factory actually learn from the event, or did the shift simply survive it? M0N0 captures this experience through decision memory. The engineer's assumptions, the approved actions, and the final results are permanently locked. This governance framework ensures that the enterprise builds a structured, searchable history of successful interventions, ensuring the exact same failure cannot happen twice. This ability to remember, analyze, and adapt elevates the system from basic operational intelligence into true enterprise decision intelligence. Over time, the physical factory evolves from a collection of isolated machines into a continuously adapting, singular, and highly intelligent organism. The architecture enforces an absolute directional rule: secure, contextualized EF flows upward, while governed, approved actions flow downward. And despite this high-level intelligence, local machine safety and interlocks remain strictly deterministic and protected at the base level. This is the complete transformation roadmap. Physical signals become trusted data. Trusted data becomes operational intelligence, and this creates continuous organizational learning. M0N0 architects a neuro-intelligent, decision-based enterprise, one that uses current operational evidence to optimize every future shift.